But can you do this?
Hey, what is up, my
people kind?
Today we're going to be making a lifting top coffee table. I'm not going to go into the exact how-to aspect. I'm not going to go step by step, but we'll cover off some of the major points and let's get right to it. Here we're going to make 4 equal cuts for the legs of the table. They're 4x4, 18 inches in length. Now we cut out a little pocket for the 2x4s to sit in. This will make it nice and flush with the 4x4. Set up your table saw and keep moving the fence in until all your cuts are made. Pro tip, make sure to always wear your safety equipment. Even if it seems unnecessary, maybe a little bit uncool, it'll definitely save your life, and that's a guarantee. Once all your cuts are made, it's time to remove all that material. So you just gotta hammer it out, chisel it, file it down, sand it, make it nice and flush so that the 2x4s sit in there just perfect. After I cleared all this, I went back to the table saw and added a couple more cuts so that I could fit a piece of plywood for the base of the inside of the table. Now keep sanding until you basically want to give up on this project. That's right, sanding is the worst thing in the world, and I won't make you suffer through too much more of this. After all that sanding, I did a little dry fit before I stained it all and started putting it all together. Make sure that everything looks like it's in the right place and like it's gonna fit. Always double checking to make sure your projects are level. Luckily for me, this one was. Now it's time to kick it into high gear and start putting things together. I decided to cover up the screw holes with some dowels, try and make it look like I actually knew a little bit about joinery. Attaching the lifting mechanism is fairly simple. You screw it onto the side and then later you'll put the tabletop on it. You can find these on Amazon and there's all different kinds of styles. I picked these ones because it's easy to install, it's pretty sturdy, and it was right in the price range, but you just gotta find kind of what's best for your project. The tabletop style that I decided to do was a wood frame of 1x6s with 45-degree miters on each corner. I then filled in the middle with more 1x6s, and I held everything together with pocket holes and wood glue. If there was any cracks later on, I put some wood filler in and then sanded it all out. When you're making this style, you kind of want to make sure that everything is square the whole way through, otherwise the middle pieces won't fit in that well. There'll be big gaps, or you'll have to make some odd cuts. So just keep in mind that you want to keep everything very square the whole time.
Well, peoplekime, thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys enjoyed that video. A little bit longer than my other ones, but hopefully someone learned something. So please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, wood is good!